Sometimes reality is stranger than fiction, and the world is filled with fascinating facts that may sound too incredible to be true. From animals with incredible abilities to mind-boggling feats of nature and science, there are so many fascinating things happening in the world around us that you'd never even imagine. These facts might make you do a double take or leave you scratching your head in amazement. In today's video, we will share some mind-bending facts that sound too bizarre to be true, but are actually 100% real. So, get ready to have your mind blown. If you hold in your farts long enough, the gas can be reabsorbed and come out of your mouth. The best way to deal with gas is to expel it. Adding salt to pineapple makes it taste sweeter. This works because it suppresses the bitterness in the pineapple. Fir trees can grow in human lungs. A 28-year-old patient named Artyom Sidorkin reportedly inhaled the seed of a fir tree, which had sprouted and grown in his lung. Doctors thought they were dealing with a tumor and were stunned when they made the discovery. Your heartbeat will sync to the rhythm of the music that you're listening to. A study showed that crescendos led to a temporary increase in blood pressure and heart rate, which went back down during the decrescendo. Mosquitoes can smell which blood type you are. They're twice as likely to bite someone who is type O as opposed to type A. Over 50% of pilots have admitted to falling asleep mid-flight. And of these pilots, 29% said that when they woke up, their co-pilot was asleep as well. Giraffes and humans have the same number of neck bones. Actually, all mammals do. If you unwind a roll of Scotch tape fast enough, it can generate enough X-rays to image a human finger. You'd need to unwind the tape with a vacuum at 3 centimeters per second to generate that kind of power. Your blood type can actually change if you have a bone marrow transplant. Not only that, but you'll have different sets of DNA in your blood versus other parts of your body, like skin cells, saliva, hair, teeth, meaning that if you were involved in a crime, you might leave the DNA of your donor, and also you may develop the allergies of your donor. Pepsi was originally called Brad's Drink after Caleb Davis Bradham, who created it. It was renamed Pepsi, came from a word for indigestion, because the cola drink was meant to soothe your stomach. It was originally sold at pharmacies. Whenever you shuffle a deck of cards to create a new order, it is almost guaranteed that that specific order has never before existed in the history of card playing. Lighters were invented before matches. And canned food was invented about 100 years before can openers. There are more castles in Germany than there are McDonald's in the United States. Drinking a good amount of 100% pure water will kill you. It will leach vital minerals out of your body. Kangaroos have 3 vaginas, and the third one only forms during pregnancy. Cows have best friends and can become stressed when they're separated from them. Octopuses have a brain in each of their tentacles, as well as a main one in their body. Puppies in the same litter can each have a different father. Coffee is not a bean. It is the pit of the coffee plant, which is a fruit. China used more cement in 3 years, between 2011 and 2013, than the US did in the entire 20th century. Bald eagles are not actually bald. Bald is Old English for white. Redheads require more anesthesia than non-redheads. If you open your eyes in a completely dark room, the name of the color you will see is Eigengrau, a kind of dark gray shade. Graham crackers and cornflakes were created to make us less horny. Sylvester Graham thought that consuming things like alcohol, meat, and other flavorful foods increased one's greed and lust. John Harvey Kellogg agreed with Graham's reasoning and concocted his famous cornflakes in the hopes that people who consumed them would be less likely to masturbate. The bananas your great-grandparents ate tasted radically different from the bananas we eat now. Unlike other mammals, sloths can't fart. The methane gas that builds up in their digestive system are absorbed into their bloodstream and then respired. In other words, they exhale out their farts. Hippo milk is pink in color. We breathe out our weight. When someone loses weight, excess fat is not disposed with the feces, as most people believe, but through lungs as carbon dioxide. We lose our sense of smell when we sleep. If you enjoyed this video and want to uncover more astonishing facts, don't forget to leave a comment sharing your favorite fact and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content just like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.